and today we're kicking it Maryland style. I've had a million crab cakes in my life, I mean, who hasn't? And they all say, Maryland crab cake, but I have never had a true, authentic Maryland crab cake until I met this guy.
That's right. So I've tried Maryland crab cakes all my life because I was born there, but then I moved to Florida when I was in 3rd grade, and then...
If you can't tell.
Yeah. So had to represent the Ravens, you know what I'm saying? And my boy El Freaky, you know what I'm saying? Had to represent. So
and anyways, I'm a free agent because the best quarterback of all time.
Bucks.
Just left.
My boy Brady. But anyway, so we're going to make authentic Maryland style crab cakes with a little tiny twist to it. Just a little tiny little, also, that's it. Just a little something, but because the only way to make a Maryland style crab cake, and you can ask any Marylander, is right on the Old Bay can. That is the only way to make a crab cake, Maryland style.
And we got that coming right up.
That's right. Okay, so we're about to make Maryland style crab cakes. So starting with the first thing is you want to make your bread have no crust. It doesn't matter what kind of bread you use or just any white bread, whatever. It doesn't matter. Don't get fancy. Don't get crazy with it. Just any bread. And you're going to break it up into little crumbles like this. See how small those are? You can break them up how you want. That's just, it's preference, whatever. Now here's the thing that I was telling you that I add is olive oil, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and garlic powder, right? You know, remember like back, like when you go to like an Italian restaurant and like you get that bread and you dip it in that sauce, like that's right here. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I put it on it. Some people agree with it, some don't. Just put a little, you know, a little something. All right, so get our hands dirty, let that go around, let that soak. Making a mess, it's all good though.
And you crumbled the bread.
Yes. So we're gonna put all this in here. Next, we're gonna have 1 egg beaten. Throw that in there. All right, we're gonna get the, where's this? This is the Old Bay. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning. 2 teaspoons of parsley. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of mayo. Get all that in there. Okay, I forgot one ingredient, the most important ingredient that a lot of people sleep on. Don't know why, but they do. You're gonna put about half a teaspoon of yellow mustard, regular yellow mustard. Don't get crazy with it. Don't get stupid with it. Yellow mustard. Keep it simple like a pimple. Boop. Just like that. That's it. That's all you need. You know what? Actually, I can put a little boop. Just a little more. That's it. All right, we're done. And then you want to stir it in. Get it all nice in there. And then next, we're going to add the important part. Here we're gonna add the Jumbo Lump Crab, okay? I mean, I can't get it fresh from Maryland, unfortunately, but hey, we do what we can, so we get it from Publix. Jumbo Lump Crab. Also, if you can't find Jumbo Lump Crab, go ahead and get the regular lump crab. If you can't find lump crab, then get claw meat. And then if you can't find that, then go home. I don't know.
Don't make crab cakes that
Don't
night.
make crab cakes then. You know what I'm saying? So you're going to take 2 of these. This equals 16 ounces, 8 ounce, 8 ounce. Boop. You're going to shove it all in there. And you don't want to mix it. You don't want to like stir it with like a whisk or something. You don't want to do any of that stuff. You're going to fold it kind of. You got to give it love. You got to give it love.
Get dirty with it.
Get dirty with it. No gloves. Nothing. Just, you're going to fold it kind of. You don't, because you don't want to break up the lump crab. That's the trick. If you start breaking up the crab, which I'm kind of doing, but I'm kind of not, you just want to fold it. Like I said, it's all about the love. Here, we're going to form the actual crab cake, right? So here we have 4 pads of butter because we're gonna make 4 crab cakes. So what I do is I put 1 pad of butter on the bottom of it, and then I put 1 pad on the top. People do it different, whatever. This is how I do it. Because it gets that nice brown crust on the bottom and the top. Because who doesn't want it nice and, you know, get that little crisp, and you want that mush on the middle, but you want that crisp on the top. So here, we're gonna form the actual crab cake, right? We're gonna take a little handful. You don't wanna like play with it too much. You wanna keep them thick. You wanna keep it lump. Form it, whatever size you like. We do it about that size, and you're gonna put it right on top. Okay. Form it, kind of flatten it. This is very lumpy crab, which is what you like. Right on top. And it keeps it from not sticking too, so. It's kind of the best of both worlds, right? Okay, so here you're gonna put your broil setting on your oven. Set it on high, start, and let it heat up. You got your broil set on high, and you're gonna place your crab cakes. Look how good those look. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Would you look at that?
It looks so good.
Place them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. You wanna